This is the Prybrid utility from Gerber. Two things that Gerber's done really well for a long time is blades and solid state tools. The Prybrid utility combines both of those into a compact form factor. The Prybrid utility is safe and easy to carry with 3 slide lock positions: closed, open, and exchange. The G10 scale material is durable and provides enhanced grip on the job. A pass-through slot in the frame allows you to cut cord and wire in the closed position. It also includes a lanyard hole for easy carry. Prybrid utility offers 8 tools, including full-size utility blade, cord cutter, bottle opener, large flathead driver, wire stripper, nail puller, small flathead driver, and pry bar. It's available in OD green and tactical gray. Perfect for carrying in a pocket or on a keychain, the Prybrid utility offers tremendous function in a compact factor.
The original Harrier was the very first bird knife. Released in limited quantities, it is now a highly prized collector's item. The Harrier II resurrects and refines this classic design to offer a practical everyday carry cutting tool in a size that splits the difference between the best-selling Cara 2 and the Meadowlark 2. Its 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade is full flat ground for optimal edge geometry, has a textured index finger choil, and is available in both plain and partially serrated formats. The handle features textured G10 scales, minimalist nested stainless steel liners, a stainless steel backspacer, a sturdy backlock mechanism, and a 4-position clip that offers all possible carry options.